Hey everyone, this is Stacy with SF Johnson Consulting and Construction Services, and I would like you to know the best way to make sure you are pricing your project correctly is to use a calculator for your man hours. And so we're focusing this week on underground utilities and excavation. And so we give you the calculators based on the equipment, because if you're excavating, you're going to use either one or all of these. And so for every excavator possible, for every type of soil condition, we give you that man-hour calculator. Okay, so for excavators, $2.99, loaders, $99, all the way down. Articulated truck equipment includes truck bed. Okay, and again, this is an Excel spreadsheet that has every possibility of every soil type and every type of this equipment. Power requirements, engine power, everything. If you want to see a sample, I can do that and send you it in a PDF. But ours are Excel spreadsheets. You fill in your total, your takeoff total, how many cubic yards of dirt that you're moving, and it'll give you what? Your man hours, how long it's going to take you. If you know your man hour, what you charge per man hour, then you're accurately pricing your jobs based on construction industry standards. When you mess with Stacy, you do it right. You don't guess. You don't let people take advantage of you either. Sign up, subscribe, like, hit the bell notification, sfjohnsonconsulting.com every day. See you soon.